Utanamenya kiria kirathiaga na mbere wahota gwiciria ni maabitha a borithi marathararia mucemanio wa ũteti. No ni arume na atumia aria mehokeirwo wira wa guthondeka mawatho ni muingi wa kaunti ya Nyamira magikararania na kurwa. Ma MC aria manyitaga mbaru Governor Amos Nyaribo maruga speaker ni aramanyarara na waria mari na speaker Moffat Teya makehada ati speaker no nginya ari kwarute wira wake. Umwe wa maundu maria maturite aria mari na governor ni gukorwo ona thutha wa governor kunengena na ritwa rioria angienda atuike munini wake bunge ndihitukitie ritwa riake.
This assembly belongs to 36 members of the county assembly, but there is some, about 20, who wants to rule only them and discipline others. But we are not going to sit back, relax.
When you see these fiscal fights, when people are fighting, what does it mean? It really means that we are polarized as an assembly, where our main roles are three. You know them, that's representation, oversight, and the rest.
Thina uria ungi uri bunge ni ngarari cia aria mekurugamirira kamiti ngurani undu uria urugamitie cikaro.
And we even called them on a meeting. We scheduled a meeting with them. They agreed to attend Kamkunji, but one of their principal agents sent messages to all of them. They are around 12, and warned them against attending any peace building meeting.
That the speaker also has powers under standing order number 109 to suspend the assembly when there is grave, not necessarily gross, when there is grave disorder. Grave disorder is actually now, for example, when the members move from their chairs where they have been allocated. You know, these are times of COVID.
Bare no eigite ma MCA ugwatini wa kugwatania murimu wa COVID-19 marakara mao magituma mariganirwo ni kurumirira mitaratara na mawatho ma kwigitira ta gwikira mask na kuraihaniriria. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Gitagwo Muriuki wa Mucoki.